Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. I'm also fine here. Hope everyone has enjoyed the Eid very well. So today let's start with the biryani recipe. Today I'm going to show you fish biryani. So let's start. Check out the ingredients. First, let's marinate this fish. Here I am taking kingfish. Taking 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of fish masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, and juice of 1 lemon. Adding enough water and make it to a fine paste and marinate the fish. Keep it in the refrigerator at least for 1 hour. Adding a pinch of food color into 3 tablespoons of milk and few strands of saffron. Mix well and keep it aside. Now let's blend the ginger, garlic and green chilli. Always for fish masala, try to take more garlic than the ginger. Here I am using 3 green chilli as it is more spicy. First let's fry this onions. This is 2 large onions. Let's fry this by using 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. In the same oil, fry the raisins and cashews. In the same oil, fry the marinated fish. Now flip it to other side and cook till it's done 3/4. Now it's done. Take it and keep it aside. Now let's start to prepare the masala. Adding 3 tablespoons of oil into the same pan. Use the same oil. Now add the sliced onions and saute it till it becomes transparent. Here I have taken 6 large onions. When the onions become slightly transparent, add a handful of curry leaves into it and saute it for a while. Then add the grinded garlic, chilli and ginger paste into it. Mix it well. Now the onions became completely transparent. Now let's add the tomatoes into it. Here I have taken 2 large tomatoes. Adding enough salt into it. Mix well and close the lid. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till the tomatoes become mushy. Now let's check. Yes, the tomatoes have completely become mushy. It's time to add the masalas now. Have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of fish masala. Now let's add this to the masala. Mix it well. let it cook till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell has gone, add the chopped coriander and mint leaf. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of mint leaf and coriander leaves. Now mix it well and again close the lid and cook it. Check the taste and add the salt if needed, and add half of the lemon juice and mix well. Finally, add 1½ teaspoon of biryani masala into this and mix well. Now spread the masalas evenly and cook it in a medium flame till the masalas cook very well. Adding 1/4 cup of water into it, as the masalas should not get dry, and cook it till the raw smell goes. As we have used half of the lemon juice, adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into it. This gives a good flavor to our masala. Now place the fish on the top of the masala. Now flip it slowly to the other side and spread the masalas evenly on the top of the fish and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes in a medium flame. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. Let's prepare the rice. Heat the pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee into it. First, let's add the whole spices into this. I have taken 5 to 6 cloves, 5 cinnamon sticks, mace, cardamom and bay leaf. Add this and saute it for a while. Adding 6 glasses of water into it. As I am using 4 glasses of rice, using 6 glasses of water, and add enough salt into this and bring it to boil. Adding a teaspoon of rose water and a tablespoon of chopped mint and coriander leaves to get a good flavor to this rice. Time to add the rice. For this I have taken 4 glasses of jeeragashala rice. Always soak half an hour before you prepare the rice. Adding rice into it. Mix it well and add enough salt into it. Cook this till it gets 3/4 done, or when it starts to dry the water. Now the water is getting dry. Let's transfer the rice into a bowl. Now let's arrange the biryani by making a layer. Spread the rice on the first layer. After that, spread the half of the masalas. Spread evenly. Now spread the chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now fried onions, cashews and raisins. Again spread half of the rice. Now sprinkle little biryani masala on the top of it. This is optional. This gives good flavor and aroma to our biryani. After that, sprinkle some more onions, chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now add the food color. Now let's continue the second layer. As we done in the first layer, continue as same for the second layer. Spread all the remaining masalas. Now it's done. Cover this with the foil paper and cook it in a low flame for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check out our biryani, how it's turned. Wow, this looks so yummy. Let's check how it is. It cooked perfectly. Let's serve this yummy fish biryani. Hope you enjoy this fish biryani recipe. If you like this video, please do share with your contacts. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the next updates. Thanks for watching.